If you have been searching for ways to make money online in 2026, I'm going to save you months of wasted time. Because today I'm breaking down 5 side hustles that are actually working right now. Not just theories but real methods people are using to make real money. Stay till the end because number 5 is the one most people completely overlook, and it might be the easiest one to start now. Alright, let's get into it. I'm going to give you an honest breakdown. What each side hustle is, how much you can realistically earn, and how hard it actually is so to start. Let's go. Side hustle number 1, freelance writing or content writing. Number 1, freelance writing. And I know you are thinking, writing? That sounds boring. But hear me out, because this is one of the fastest ways to make your first $100 online. What is it? Businesses, blogs, and websites needs content every single day. Articles, product descriptions, email newsletters. They need people to write these things, and they are willing to pay for it. How much can you make? Beginners typically earn $15 to $30 per article. Experienced writer can earn 100, 200, even 500 per article. How do you start? Go to Fiverr or Upwork, create a profile, offer to write articles in your niche. You don't need a degree, you need to write clearly and deliver on time. It's a low startup cost, high demand, and you can start today. Side hustle number 2, selling digital product. This one is my personal favorite, and here is why. You create something once and it can sell hundreds of times. What kind of digital products? Ebooks, templates, printables, Notion dashboards, Canva templates, study guides. If you can create something that helps people solve a problem, you can sell it. What do you sell? Gumroad, Etsy, or even in your website. How much can you make? A simple Canva template can sell for $5 to $25. An ebook can go for $10 to $15. Sell 100 copies of a 10 ebook, and that is $1,000 passive income. Takes time to create upfront, but once it is done, it works for you 24/7. Side hustle number 3, YouTube automation. Now this is interesting. What is it? You create YouTube channels where you don't show your face. You use AI voiceover, stock footage, and scripted content. The channel earns through AdSense. Does it actually work? Yes, but it's harder than people think. You need to pick the right niche, have good scripts, and stay consistent for months before you see results. How much can you make? Some automation channels make 500 to 5000 per month, but most beginners make very little in the first 6 months. It can generate high potential benefits but requires patience, consistency, and the right strategy, not a quick win. Side hustle number 4, print on demand. This is one of the most beginner friendly business models out there. How it works? You design t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, upload them to platforms like Redbubble or Mars by Amazon. When someone buys, the platform prints it and ships it. You get a commission. Zero inventory, zero upfront cost. $1 to $5 per sale, not much per item. But if you have 100 designs selling consistently, that adds up to a solid passive income. What's the catch? You need to create good designs and you need volume. The more designs you upload, the better. It is great for creative people, slow to grow, but truly passive once it is working. Side hustle number 5, affiliate marketing. And this is one most people overlook. What is it? You promote others people's products. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. No product to create, no customer service, just promote and earn. Where can you do affiliate marketing? YouTube, blog, Instagram, email list, anywhere you have an audience. How much can you make? Commissions range from 5% to 15% depending on the product. Some affiliate programs pay $50, $100, and even $500 per sale. If you promote a software tool that costs $100 per month and your commission is 30%, that is 30 per customer every month. To get 10 customers, then that will be 300 per month recurring income. If you already have an audience, this is the fastest path to real money. So there you have it, 5 hustles that actually work in 2026. To summarize, number 1, freelance writing, fast money, low barrier. Number 2, digital products, passive income, high potential. Number 3, YouTube automation, long game but it pays off. Number 4, print on demand, creative and truly passive. Number 5, affiliate marketing, best ROI if you have an audience. Now, which one are you going to start with? Tell me in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button. I post honest, practical content about making money online per week. I will see you in the next video.